Hey, what's going on, everyone? Josh here with Piano Marvel. This is my son, Reed, and that's not necessary, but we decided to make a little video today because there's a comment here that says, "Thanks for giving us a brief explanation on this topic. Can you please share how I can make background music match the tempo when I upload from Musescore with a MIDI file preset tempo?" So this is a great question, and I think I know this guy. So hey there, what's going on? So the answer that I have that I'm wanting to give you today, I was wanting to use this Beethoven bagatelle to show you how to fix it. But I just realized that I was going to be showing you with Finale, and in Finale, it's not an issue anymore. This is only an issue, I believe, in Musescore 3. And they actually just released a Musescore 4. I'm not sure if you're aware of it, but maybe what I'll do is show you this in Musescore 4 and show you how it's fixed. Okay, so I just found this piece, and what I'm going to do is download it for Musescore, okay? So I'm going to immediately open that thing up right over here, and it's going to open it, I believe, in Musescore 4, all right? So what I want to do is, in this video, test if Musescore 4, I know Musescore 4 works with our new engine on the iPad and iPhone, but what I want to do is, instead of deleting this, which used to be what we have to do in Musescore 3, I'm going to just keep it there and see if things work when we export the MIDI and the XML, and then try to use this on the web version. Now, when you export from Musescore 4, it's really, really important to make sure that you do music XML as the .music XML. And I think this is what's selected normally, is right here, this manually, and you want to do all layout because that's going to give the most XML information so that we can render it better. So make sure you do all layout for music XML. And just save that wherever you would like to. Now, this isn't going to work perfectly, but I will upload it later with Finale and make it perfect. But right now, we're just testing C to make sure that everything stays in sync. But as you can see, we have repeats and stuff. So the file is definitely not going to work perfectly, but this is one that I'd really like to upload because Beethoven is the man. So there we go. We just did that. And now I'm going to go over here to Piano Marvel and upload this song. Okay, so I think I am ready to press save. I've uploaded it. And now we're going to go right over here. I'm going to press refresh. And right here, you're going to see this file. And again, what we're looking for is the accompaniment to stay in sync. So if I just press play here, and I'll let the plugin turn on here, we're hoping that the accompaniment is going to be in sync. Usually these would get out of sync, but I think Musescore 4 is. Okay, that's interesting. So in Musescore 4, it's not fixed. The bug is not fixed for the web app. It is fixed, like I said, for the iPhone and the iPad. So this bug, you're not going to need to do what I'm doing here very soon on all platforms in Piano Marvel. But right now, it's just for iPad and iPhone. You don't need to do this. But to fix it, and this is answering directly the question that was asked here. How do we make the background music match the tempo? You just need to go over here, straight up just delete this tempo marking, and then re-export the MIDI file right here. Super simple. Press export, press save, and then you're just going to go over here in Piano Marvel and upload that new MIDI file, and then you're going to notice that it works perfectly. Check this out. Here we go.
Set, go.
So there you go. There is how you fix this issue. I hope this was super helpful. Thanks for hanging around with us today, and have a great day. Thanks.